This is how you install a sample onto a Wyzenbeek tester. First, place your foam block in here so that this curve will match that curve. Next, you want to slot your fabric through the top, and when you screw it in, make sure it's sitting flat right here. Lastly, you want to install the fabric right here. Bring the machine down so that you hear that click. And then you want to tug just enough to get it taut down here and push this screw against the back and turn it all the way in so the fabric is secure. And that's it.